Hello friends, in today's video we are going to do unboxing and a quick review of Critic RGB gaming kit from the brand Chrome, which includes RGB keyboard, mouse and headset and with a mousepad. So we can look deep into it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we can talk about the pricing and whether it is worth or not at the end. So before that we can unbox. So you can see the branding at the top and the images of the product at the top. So we can just open it up. So inside the box it includes a guide manual book with all the shortcut functions and instructions. If you want you can read it, and then there is a RGB mouse and then a mouse pad and then the keyboard and the headset. Now we can power it up and check how it looks. So first of all, let's check how is the mouse. So as it is a gaming mouse, it includes a gaming buttons and it fits in hand very well, and even the mouse pad is very nice to play games and doing other stuff in computer. So other than gaming side buttons, there is two more button below the scroller, that is DPI button and color changing button. And with this mouse there is a software available. That software link will be provided in the description. Using this software you can customize any kinds of shortcuts or keys or color and even set macros. So overall this mouse is great with lots of features, great build quality and very nice colorful RGB lighting. So now the headset. The headset also have RGB lighting in it to completely make it like a gaming headset, and it has a great build quality. So when it comes to the audio quality, it has a 50 large audio driver providing very nice bass and audio quality, including the 3D stereo sound, which will be very helpful while gaming. It has a volume controller at the side and with a mic in the front with RGB lighting, and at the two sides of the headset it includes a circular RGB ring providing the gaming headset look. Because of the great build quality and the soft cushion present in it gives a very nice comfortable fit, and will be able to use this headset for a long period of time without any problem. So now the gaming keyboard. As it has full on RGB colors and lightings, it looks very nice in look wise, and even when you type on it the experience is very nice because the travel distance is very perfect, that it improves the experience of typing and even while gaming. And there is some shortcuts like clicking on the function key and the brightness option allows you to customize the lighting effect like breathing and changing the color effect, and using the lighting effect and the page up button you will be able to increase and decrease the brightness. So overall even this keyboard is really great with a great build quality, look and the RGB lighting. Even though it is a membrane keyboard, the typing sound is very satisfying. So yes, all the products are great, the build quality, the RGB lighting is everything great, but what is the price? I know that is the question which you are going to ask next. So I had bought this Critic gaming combo kit here in my place where I am staying, which is Kuwait, from a big very well known shop. So it cost around 9 Kuwaiti dinar. When we convert it to Indian rupees, it comes approximately from 2000 rupees to 2500 rupees. So yeah, definitely for this price, this gaming kit combo is worth for the price. With great build quality, amazing features and customizations, and forget or not, the amazing RGB light looks really great and fills up the look of a gaming setup. So hope you liked the video. If you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So until then, I will catch up you in the next one. Bye.